A welding spark nearly caused a serious explosion. Take a look. Workers were welding a truck's container when sparks landed on a nearby gas cylinder. It caught fire unnoticed until someone rushed to extinguish it. This highlights why flammable materials should be removed or shielded during welding operations. This tree cutting session took a dangerous turn. These men were cutting a dried tree, with one axing and two pulling with ropes. When the tree fell, it struck one of the workers. This shows why proper cutting techniques and safe escape paths must be planned before felling any tree. This fall highlights the dangers of unstable flooring. Watch closely. This worker was laying planks to create a floor above ground. While reaching for his nail gun, he stepped on an unsecured section and fell. This emphasizes why temporary floors must be properly secured before workers step on them. These men were counting stacks of heavy wood when their grip slipped. Watch what happened next. As the stacks were counted, the weight of the load proved too much for the men, and it led to a bad accident. This video shows why heavy materials should be secured, lifted with equipment, not bare hands, and counted from a safe distance. This man learned the risk of unstable ladders. This man attached a small foldable ladder to wooden barricades to reach his roof. The ladder tilted, causing him to fall. This shows why proper ladders and stable surfaces must be used for elevated tasks to prevent avoidable falls. What was supposed to be a routine stock checking turned into a bad accident when this happened. Take a look. This woman was counting her stock at the back of a parked truck when the truck moved, and things went south. This video proves why communication should be well established between the driver and offloaded to prevent such accidents. This man was moving crates stacked outside when one small mistake set off a chain reaction. This worker had just loaded a stack onto his mover when it tilted and struck the neighboring pile. In seconds, every crate fell. This video highlights the importance of securing stacked loads and moving piles carefully and not hurriedly to prevent collapse. This forklift was lifting a long iron bar from a truck bed when balance gave way. Watch closely. The forklift operator raised the load, but the bar's weight caused the forklift to topple and almost caused serious harm to a passerby. The bar also wasn't centered. This video highlights the importance of load balance and proper weight checks. This man took off his safety gear to check an electrical panel, and it nearly cost him. The moment the electrician opened the electrical panel, an arc flash occurred, but he got away on time. This video shows why PPE must never be removed around live equipment and why all electrical panels should be de-energized before inspection. This moment shows how rushing can lead to unexpected accidents. Take a look. These two workers were moving loaded carts by the shore. One opened the door while the other cart rolled toward the water. As one man ran to stop it, he slipped and fell. This shows why heavy carts must always be secured and movement paths kept clear. This forklift was offloading materials from a truck when things took a sudden turn. Watch. After offloading the first batch, the forklift rolled too far and slipped past the truck's edge, falling off the warehouse ledge. This video shows why warehouses need clear loading boundaries and why drivers should maintain full control during offloading operations. This worker experienced a close call with a reversing truck. Watch closely. This worker was walking inside an industrial area, unaware of trucks reversing behind him. One truck hit him, but he miraculously avoided serious harm. This shows why workers must stay alert, and reversing alarms must function properly on site vehicles.